What's up, y'all? Clean Cuts the One back with another video on the Successful Shop series. Glad to be back again. So I'm having this issue. I apologize for the delay. I've been having this issue. Somebody help me. My MacBook doesn't have enough storage, so I create 2 or 3 videos. My MacBook storage gets full and I can't export my videos. Oh, it's so frustrating. Somebody help me with this issue. If you can tell me, do I create a video, finish it, and then get done? Whatever, just let me know. But anyways, I want to talk to you guys about first in, last out. FILO. First in, last out, right? If you're looking to gain clientele, you're looking to be successful in the shop, right? Because there's so much about being a successful barber, whether it's shop owner or being just a barber, that's about consistency, right? So if you can find a way to make yourself the first one in the shop and the last one to leave the shop, then you're going to find yourself in a better position to get more experience quicker. Now, I know some of you guys aren't shop owners, you might not have the shop key, but I'll bet if you talk to your shop owner about, hey man, I was kind of hoping to be the first one in the shop. You think maybe I could relieve you of your opening duties? Help them open the shop early. Be the first one in there. Help them to, get in there and start cleaning up the shop. You know what I mean? Start taking out the trash, cleaning the floors, even before the shop opens. I remember when I was living in West Knoxville, when I was living in South Knoxville, I lived about 45 minutes away from Razor Sharp Barbershop. So when you guys saw the Razor Sharp Barbershop videos, I was waking up at like 5 o'clock and I was driving 40 minutes to work, and I was already filming videos, and I was taking appointments at 6 a.m. Now, granted, Josh had given me a lot of, leniency as far as allowing me to do that, but I was also providing him a service because he didn't have to worry about 5-6 days a week if his shop was going to be opened up. He knew I was going to be there. He knew the doors were going to be open. And if you offer that to your shop owner, I'm willing to bet that he would probably let you do that. I know that if one of my guys were to ask me, hey man, I'm really interested in opening the shop up every day at 7 o'clock. I think I'm going to start doing a lot of cleaning, and I'm going to start just trying to do stuff just so I can get more repetitions, more experience, more time in the shop, I would say yes. So consider that. Think about that. Also, the more time that you spend in the shop, there's something about those first cuts and those last cuts when nobody's there, when it's just you and the client. There's something that takes place where you start to realize that you are a barber and you're responsible for yourself, you're responsible for your career, and it also helps build those relationships with the clients. So that's definitely a good piece of advice. I know for a long time I was the first one in, the last one out of the old barber shop, and still even here at my shop, I'm generally the first one in. But keep that in mind. First in, last out. Be the first one in your barbershop, be the last one to leave, and you're going to find that you're getting more repetition, you're getting more time with the clients, and you learn and you respect your barbershop environment even more. So that's all I got for today on the Successful Shop series. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Pay attention. If you guys can help me with my MacBook recording, exporting problems, let me know, man. DM me on Instagram, whatever. I've been doing this, I've been going through this for like 6 or 8 months. I know I'm not the first one to have this problem, so if you can help me, go ahead. Go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe, because we're not done. We're going to keep going, so just smash that for me. It's right here in this area. You know what? I'm about to switch it up. It's here. Anyways, till next time, peace.